details. Jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua iseyo kod bura manie doho kamitude kod temo yiero doho mawinjo buche mondo ogol ng'eto ma nyalo ng'won kode. E bura mar Rigathi ochwale doho matemo geng'one od bura mar Senate kik chak twak mathiche oko. Okil Paul Nyamodi kendo doho nitiere buche bura mar Rigathi osenyiso e kido mar yiero doho. Kar kamano gikone doho ni onge chik moyiene tamo od bura nyaka mano ma Senate winjo ng'ur kendo thicho jalup jatend piny. Kar kamano okil mar Gachagua Paul Mwite to koni ok en gima ber tudo Rigathi kod yiero kit doho modwa ni winje buche ni mar Rigathi ni kod ratiro mar manyo ratiche.
Parliament shall facilitate public participation. So it's a requirement of the Constitution. An involvement in the legislative and other business of Parliament. Other business, such as the impeachment of the Deputy President. So, my Lord, if the petitioner is alleging that this public participation, constitutional obligation of the National Assembly was violated, this court has, without any shadow of doubt, the jurisdiction to intervene.
They will tell you that the doctrine of separation of powers precludes you. They will tell you, secondly, that the dispute before you is not ripe. They will tell you, thirdly, that the matter is sub judice and should therefore not be heard before you. They will cite for you, my Lord, an authority listed in the, I believe, grounds of opposition of my good and learned friend, Mr. Kuyoni Josephat, for the Attorney General. This is the case of Mate and another one versus Wambora and another. My Lord, that decision is wholly distinguishable from the case before you because what had happened when my Lord interrogates the circumstances, a court order was obtained in the middle of deliberation and debate by the county